In this lesson, we are going to learn about matrices. A matrix is referred to as the arrangement of numbers into rows and columns. Okay, so let's look at an example. Let's have the matrix Z, okay, which is equal to 6, 3, 2, 9. Okay, let's say I have this matrix here, okay, enclosed in a square bracket. I can rewrite this matrix as 6, 3, 2, 9, okay, in parentheses. This is also what same as what we have here. Okay, so what I have here is a matrix, okay, and then it is made up of numbers arranged into rows and then columns. Okay, let's look at what that means. So to demonstrate this, I'm going to write the matrix. Okay, so I have 6, 3, and then 2, 9. Okay, so let's look at how the numbers has been arranged in rows. Okay, the numbers that are arranged in rows is referred to the numbers that are arranged horizontally. Okay, so the numbers that are arranged horizontally are said to be in a row. Okay, so let's look at what you have here. So in this case, the 6 and 3 has been arranged in a row. Okay, same way the 2 and the 9 has been arranged in a row because they have been aligned horizontally. Okay, so I call this here row 1, and then I call this here row 2. Okay, similarly, some of the numbers has been arranged vertically. Okay, so let's look at that also. So I'll write the matrix again. I have 6, 3, 2, 9. Okay, in a square bracket. Okay, so this is the matrix here. So let's look at the number that has been arranged vertically. So in this case, this is a vertical arrangement over here, and then this is also a vertical arrangement. Okay, so this is called column 1. Okay, column 1, and then this will be column 2. Okay, so you see that the numbers has been arranged into rows and then columns. Okay, so that's what a matrix is. So we can look at the elements of this matrix and then tell where they are in this matrix. Okay, so for the element 6, okay, so for the element 6, okay, I can see that in the matrix it is on the first row. Okay, row 1, and then on the first column. Okay, so that's row 1, column 1, and then for the element 3, it is also on the first row, but what the second column. Okay, and then when you consider the 2, it is on the second row, but what the first column. Okay, and then the 9 is also on the second row, but what column 2. So we use this to tell the position or where an element is in a matrix. Okay, so this to tell us that what a matrix is made up of numbers arranged in rows and then columns. Matrices can also be dimensioned. Okay, matrices can also be dimensioned. Okay, so let's look at how to dimension a matrix. Okay, so to dimension a matrix, you can use this expression. Okay, dimension dimension because the number of rows times the number of what columns. Okay, that's the expression for the dimension of what of a matrix. So when you have a matrix and you be asked to tell the dimension, all you have to do is to count the number of rows and then the number of what columns and then write it, okay, by substituting it into this expression here. So the matrix that we have, the matrix Z, okay, it has what 2 rows. Okay, because we have what row 1 and then row 2, so there are 2 rows there, so that would be 2, and then it has what 2 columns because we have column 1 and then column 2, so it would what a 2 by 2 matrix. Okay, So that will be the dimension of this matrix. We can have 2 by 3 matrix, we can have 3 by 3, 3 by 2, we can have 4 by 2, any dimension at all that the given matrix has. Okay, this is how you are going to write it. The first value is for the row, and then the second value is for the column. And one thing you have to know is that when the number of rows equals the number of what column, then you will have what a square matrix. Okay, a square matrix, a square matrix. And then when the number of row is not equal to the column, then you are going to have what a rectangular matrix. Okay, then I'm going to have what a rectangular matrix. Okay, so now you are going to learn how to perform some operations on matrices. Okay, we are going to learn how to perform some operations on what matrices. So let's go ahead and then do this. Okay, so you are going to look at how to perform addition on what matrices. Okay, so let's take an example. So let's say I have matrix A here. Okay, which is equal to 3, 8, 4, 6. Okay, and then I have matrix B, which is equal to 4, 0, 1 minus 9. Okay, then we have to find A plus B. How are you going to do this? To perform this addition, you first of all have to check the dimension of what the two matrices. Okay, so you have to check their dimensions. Okay, so for matrix A, it is a 2 by 2 matrix, and then matrix B is also what a 2 by 2 matrix. So since their dimensions are equal, then we can go ahead and perform the addition. But if their dimensions were not equal, then that means we can't perform the addition. So let's go ahead and do this addition. So that would be 3, 8, 4, 6 plus 4, 0, 1 minus 9. Okay, so we have these two matrices here, which we are supposed to find their sum. Okay, we have to find their sum. So let's look at how we are going to do this sum. To do this, we are going to sum them up element by element. Okay, we are going to sum them up element by what element. And doing this, we have to match each element to its corresponding element in both matrices. Okay, so let's look at what that means. So when you look at these two matrices, you see that the 3 matches with the 4. Okay, so that's for matrix A. The 3 matches with the 4 in the matrix B. So we are going to add these two values. Okay, so that was 3 plus 4. And then the 8 in matrix A matches with the 0 in matrix B. So that will be 8 plus 0. And also the 4 in matrix A matches with 1 in matrix B. So that will be 4 plus 1. Okay, and then the 6 in matrix A will match to what the minus 9 matrix B. So that what 6 plus minus 9. Okay, so let's simplify this. So when we simplify this, 3 plus 4 will give us 7, and then 8 plus 0 will give us 8, and also 4 plus 1 will give us 5, and then 6 minus 9 give us what? Minus 3. So this will be the answer after performing this addition. And then one thing you notice is that our answer is also what? A 2 by 2 matrix. Okay, so you should take note of that. When you add two by 2 matrices, your answer should be a 2 by 2 matrices. Same way, if you add 3 by 3 matrices, your answer should be a 3 by 3 matrix. Okay, so let's look at something here. So let's say I have matrix D, okay, which is equal to 3, 2, 1, 4, and then I have matrix C, which is equal to 3, 2, 1, 4, 5, 3. Okay, then I asked that we should find the sum for these two matrices. What will be the answer? The first thing you have to check here is to see if their dimensions are the same. Okay, and to check if the dimensions of these two matrices are the same. So let's look at this. This matrix here is a 2 by 2 matrix, and then this matrix here has 3 rows and then 2 columns. So that's what a 3 by 2 matrix. Okay, so what happens is that the dimensions are not equal, so therefore we can't perform this addition. So anytime that you are given two matrices to perform addition on, first check their dimensions first. And if the dimensions are the same, then that means what you can perform the addition. But if the dimensions are not the same, then that means what the addition will not be possible. Same thing applies to subtraction. Okay, so let's take some example on the subtraction of what matrices also. Okay, so let's say I have matrix A, which is equal to 3, 8, 1, 4. Okay, and I have matrix B, which is equal to 4, 0, 1 minus 9. Okay, so I have these two matrices. So let's find A minus B. Okay, how are you going to do this? So to do this, we first have to check the dimensions of what the two matrices. Okay, so this matrix A is a 2 by 2 matrix. Matrix B is also a 2 by 2 matrix. So which tells us that they are compatible, so you can perform the subtraction. Okay, so let's do this. So you're going to have A minus B to be equal to 3, 8, 1, 4. Okay, minus the matrix 4, 0, 1 minus 9. So let's perform this subtraction. So we are going to do the same as we did for the addition. Okay, we are going to match the elements. Okay, so the 3 will match to the 4. Okay, so that's the 3 in the matrix A will match to the 4 in matrix B. Okay, so that was 3 minus 4. And then the 8 in matrix A will match to 0 in matrix B. So that was 8 minus 0. And also the 1 in matrix A will also match with the 1 in matrix B. Okay, so that was 1 minus 1. And then the 4 in matrix A will match to the minus 9 in matrix B. So that will be 4 minus 9. Okay, so let's simplify this. 3 minus 4 give us minus 1, 8 minus 0 give us 8, and then 1 minus 1 give us 0, 4 minus 9. Okay, 4 minus 9 will give us what? 13. Okay, so this is what we have now. Okay, so let's take another example. So I have matrix M to be equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. Then I have matrix N to be equal to 1, 3, 5, 5. Okay, so let's find M minus N. Okay, so let's go ahead and do this. So M minus N will be equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, minus 1, 3, 5, 5. So let's do this. So we are going to match each of the elements and then perform the subtraction. Okay, so we are going to have the 1 here, okay, matching with this one here. So that would be what? 1 minus 1. And then these two here match with this 3 here. So that would be what? 2 minus 3. And then this 3 here will match with the 5. So that would be 3 minus 5. And then the 4 here will match with what? This 5 here. So that would be what? 4 minus 5. So let's simplify this. 1 minus 1 give us 0. And then 2 minus 3 will give us what? Minus 1. Okay, and then 3 minus 5 will give us minus 2, and then 4 minus 5 will give us what? Minus 1. So this will be the answer after performing this subtraction. In my next video, we are going to learn how to perform multiplication on matrices. Thank you very much for watching this video.